what I ended up doing was I've always like had a like a fly streetwear type of like presence on social media.
Okay.
So I decided to.
So this is IG now. IG.
I'm on
Okay.
Instagram. And Instagram honestly played a big role in like the whole sneaker culture thing, because people are seeing stuff, like people are paying for ads to crazy stuff. The hottest shoe is this, the hottest shoe is that, and people are doing crazy stuff with them. But so I just eliminated the middleman altogether. Like I started posting on my personal page, trying to offload shoes, not paying a commission.
So this is an inside question. So honestly, off of that IG account, is it verified or not verified?
Not verified.
So not verified account. How much funds did you actually make off of that account in sales that you think?
So this was 2021.
Yeah.
So in a year, I keep a spreadsheet.
Wow. Okay. Going to the spreadsheet. It don't have to be exact number, just a ballpark. You know what I mean? I know you're pretty detailed.
We're definitely five figures in.
Wow.
For 2021. I'll give you an exact number actually. 13,578. So that is based
with no
off
fees.
No fees.
Okay. Yeah.
But you got to minus the cost of goods, and then if I'm meeting up with somebody, but even now, like I demand the person come to me most times,
right?
Unless like it's a friend and I'm casually just meeting up with them somewhere.
So do you feel that how Instagram is set up, I guess it's a platform that you can, go StockX, eBay is there, but if you kind of market yourself reputable on there, you're able to
execute. You can eliminate the middleman completely.
Okay.
Eliminate the fees. And then you could pass some of those savings on to your customer. Like that, that's like their competitive advantage. So
right.
StockX got to make some money. Goat has to make some money. I will say eBay at the moment, they don't have fees. So
they jumping right now in 2020.
2021, yes, they are. They're like the spot to resell shoes.
Okay.
And it's pretty easy to get set up on there.
Wow.
You can literally open an account, and then your reputation kind of matters too, because like someone's probably more likely to purchase from me than you if you don't have an eBay account with some some history behind it.
Okay.
I've been on eBay since 2009. So
since they opened.
Yeah.